Our fringe flowers come in two sizes, the full size and the half size. To make the fringe flower, simply roll it up from one end to the other. The bottom edge of your flower should be fairly even. Keep rolling until you almost reach the end. To secure your assembled flower, add a dab of hot glue or a glue dot to the end and finish rolling it up. After it is secure, you can fluff the fringe. The half fringe flower is assembled the same way, just roll it up and secure with glue. If you use a large glue dot to secure your flower, we recommend pulling it off the plastic and placing half of it inside the roll to hold it shut, and putting the other half on the bottom of the flower. Then you can use that half of the glue dot that's on the bottom to attach your felt leaf trio. Just press the leaves into the glue dot, then flip over your flower and fluff it up. Or you can use that extra half of the glue dot to attach your flower to your piece. You can also use hot glue or multiple small glue dots for any of these steps, whatever works best for you. For more flower and DIY tutorials, check out the Learn and Create page of our website.